Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can make $30 per hour by just literally watching videos online. So basically there's a lot of companies out there that want to know how people interact with their content, and that's why there's these sites that I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you 4 different sites. So make sure you watch till the end because I will show you each and every site into detail and show you how you can make up to $30 an hour. Sometimes you can make even more than that depending on how fast you complete their tests per hour just for watching videos. So this is an amazing way to make money online, but keep in mind this is good for people who want to just get started out. This would not be a long-term thing like Amazon FBA, for example. That's why if you're looking to build up some income prior to starting an Amazon FBA business or prior to starting some sort of other business, then this is a great way to get started. You're not going to get rich off this, but it is a great way to earn some extra money and to do it while literally just watching videos. So it's a very easy way to make money, and you'll make money fast, and you get paid via PayPal, which is nice, but it's not something that you can look at long term. I mean, I guess theoretically you could if you're willing to constantly watch videos online forever, then it's definitely something that would be feasible, but obviously, I recommend you getting into Amazon FBA once you have enough money so that you can invest in inventory. And then maybe you can do Amazon FBA and watch videos and make money both ways. So it's always good to have multiple income streams, and this is one way that you can have an additional income stream. So let's hop into my laptop now, and I will show you these 4 websites that I was talking about. All right, so we are in my laptop now, and I am going to show you the first method to make money from watching videos online. So this is called Try My UI, and their slogan is get the user's view. So basically what they're going to be doing is they're going to be recording your screen while you interact with content, and when you're interacting with that content, then that way the company that is looking at that can see how people interact with their content and whether or not they need to make changes or whether or not they want to keep their content the same, because everything that they're seeing you doing is what they're expecting a user to do. So it's a really good way for companies to test. So you can either get paid to test or you can get a free trial, of course, if you're looking to get users' views, but that's not going to make you money. You're going to have to pay in order to do that. But in terms of user testing, like what I'm showing you how to do today, this is where you'd click get paid to test. So we'd click here, and this is where you can sign up, and it says get paid to use websites and apps and give your honest feedback. So you do have to be honest with this, but it's pretty easy because this way you're going to get paid $10 for each test you take, and a typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes. So like I said in the title of this video and in this beginning of this video, you can make up to $30 an hour and sometimes more based on which website you're doing, but a typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes, so you're going to be making like $30 an hour. Now, there's not always going to be work, so this isn't going to be consistent where you're able to work an 8-hour day every day. That's why I said it's not going to be something that is really feasible in the long term, but definitely something where you can earn some extra money to be able to eventually invest in Amazon FBA or something else like that. But in the meantime, it's definitely something that you can make money from, and it's from working from the comfort of your own home. So definitely something that I would recommend getting started with if you want to make money from home and literally just by watching videos. So all you have to do is to be a tester is be yourself. Use the test website exactly as you would in real life situation and voice your thoughts and frustrations out loud so the site developers can understand your experience and others like you. So like I was saying, it's so site developers can really see how people interact with the content. And say you're on a website and you're trying to make a purchase and you're trying to check out, but you can't find the checkout button. Well, then that's something that you would say to them while they're recording you, while you're working. And basically at that point, then the company's going to know that they need to make a bigger checkout button or make it easier to find. So this is the first site, Try My UI. You can find it on trymyui.com, and you can sign up here and you get, like I said, $10 per test, and each test takes approximately 20 minutes. So some tests have taken longer, so you're not guaranteed to make the $30 per hour. Sometimes a test will take 30 minutes and you can only do 2 in an hour, so you're only going to make 20 bucks an hour, but still it's a good way to make some extra money. So definitely give this one a try. I read the reviews online about it, and it sounds like it's pretty good. And so yeah, it's a good way to get paid to test. All right, so let's go into the next one. The next one is called UserLyte. So basically, this is a state-of-the-art user testing platform, very similar to the first one, where it's user testing for mobile apps, prototype testing. So it gives the companies instant insights from your target persona. So basically, say that the site is targeted at males and you're a male, so then they're going to be wanting to know what you're thinking of their product, for example. And so the nice thing with this as well is you get to work from the comfort of your own home, uh, and you get to watch and listen to videos and look at websites. And basically, the companies can pick like their target persona. So, like I said, if it's a male or female site, or if it's something that's going to be good for people who are over a certain age or under a certain age, then they can target that, and then you would be eligible to sign up for those tests and make money that way. So you would go to tester sign up in the top right here, and this is where you can sign up as a tester for UserLyte. And you can register and earn money. Just all you have to do to sign up is complete the short and easy form, and then you can get paid 5, 10, 15, 20, or other amounts. Some of the projects pay as much as $90 just for having fun, but I've noticed that any of the ones that are as high as $90, they're usually like an hour and a half or 2 hours, so they're going to be a longer test. So don't think that if you do this one, you're going to suddenly make $90 an hour, because that's not true. You're still going to probably be around $30 to $45 an hour kind of thing. And this one's definitely good, got good reviews as well. So you do have to be 16 years of age or older in order to participate on this one. And then they ask you some questions like how old you are, basically, are you male or female, and stuff like that, so that these companies can target whether or not they want you to be taking their test of their website or their app. So yeah, this is another good way to make money online just by watching videos and going on websites. So this is the second one. Let's hop into the third one. Third one is UserFeel. This one I don't recommend as much, but definitely still another way to get more tests. This is not my favorite one by any means, but the next one's going to definitely be my favorite, so wait till that one, and I'll go into the detail about user testing, which is the next one. But this is called UserFeel, remote usability testing. So these are all very similar sites. It's basically you want to sign up for as many as possible so that you can be getting as much work as possible if this is something you want to be doing, if you want to be earning money just by watching videos and going on websites. So for this one, you go become a tester right on their web page, on their main page here, and this one you can earn $10 to $20, or sorry, $10 per test, but each test takes 10 to 20 minutes. So if you're getting 6 tests done in an hour and you're getting $10 per test, that's $60 an hour. So this one you can make between $30 to $60 an hour, but I've noticed on this one that they don't have as many positions, so you're not going to be getting as much constant work, and it does take a little bit longer to make this money. But the nice thing is when you are working, then you are getting the at least $30 an hour and up to $60 an hour, which is really good money for just literally becoming a tester and testing these people's websites and apps and watching their videos. Because all they want to see is how you're reacting to the content, and if they're happy with how you're reacting to it and how others are reacting to their content, then they know they don't have to make any changes. But they do want you to be as honest as possible so that you can give them basically some ideas on how they can improve their website. Definitely this one is worth giving a try, but not my favorite. And so now, last but not least, it's user testing. And this one is my favorite one. Basically, they're a big company, very well known, so you may have even heard about them before. And they are the same sort of thing. This is their kind of pitch towards companies that would be coming to them. So it's your fastest path to a great customer experience. In just 2 hours, capture the critical human insight you need to confidently deliver what customers want and expect. So Basically, same sort of thing that I've explained on all these ones, but this one has got the best ratings and you make the most money from this one. So all you do, come up here onto usertesting.com, click on get paid to test, and literally you can earn up to $60 per test. Like I said, this one's the best. And all you have to do to sign up is put in your email address. It's the easiest one to set up. And you get paid via PayPal, which is nice. So you do need to have a PayPal account in order to get paid for this one. But you get $10 for every 20-minute video you complete. And this one is all videos. So that's the nice thing, is you're literally getting $30 an hour for watching videos. Some of the other ones, you're having to go on websites and interacting with apps and stuff. This one's literally watching videos, and all you have to do, complete the set of tasks and basically explain how you're feeling aloud. So basically speak your thoughts aloud. So they want to know what you're thinking when you're watching the videos, and that's going to give these companies valuable information on how they can improve their videos. So literally they've been featured in the New York Times, the Huffington Post, the Wall Street Journal, and Lifehacker. More than 700,000 tests have been taken by users, and you can see for big companies like Apple, eBay, Yahoo, Facebook, like they are the biggest in user testing. And if you're gonna sign up for one, this would be the one that you're gonna sign up for. Usertesting.com. I'll put a link in the description below to all 4 of these testing sites so that you guys can get started and start earning money just literally from watching videos and from going on websites. Definitely worth a try, and once you do sign up, let me know in the comments below what you guys think and how much money you're actually making from this. Thank you so much for watching this, and if you are interested in learning more ways on how to make money online, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.